What's going on? I thought you said you wanted to join me for the latest video. You two were so sure you were going to be awake for my video. We were going to record together and we were going to give everyone a really nice new recipe. I am disappointed. You lazy puss.
Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness. Thank you for joining me for another recipe video. It has actually been some time since I've done a previous recipe for you guys. I've done a few reviews recently, what with Christmas and the holidays coming up. So it's nice to be back in the kitchen, in my element, creating these recipes and bringing them to you. I got a lot of support after the previous smoothie bowl that I did, the protein smoothie bowl, and today I thought, why not do a chocolatey version of that? So it's filled with protein again, filled with fruits and chocolatey goodness, basically. I mean, everyone loves chocolate, right? So the important thing to remember when making a smoothie bowl is really there's two parts to it. So the first part is the base. That's obviously everything that's going to go into it and then usually gets blended. And then you've got your toppings as well. The important thing to remember though is to get the quantities of liquid right. It's better to add a little bit of liquid at a time than all of it at once and it just becomes a drink. So let me take you through the ingredients. Before I do so, if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. I bring lots of different plant-based recipes to you, from smoothie bowls to soups to main dishes, and soon there'll be some desserts as well. So to the ingredients.
So this is the bulk of the ingredients that's going to be going into the smoothie itself. We've got a sliced frozen banana. We've also got half a cup of blueberries. Now, you can substitute the blueberries for another type of berry if you like. We've got a bit of extra flavour coming from the vanilla extract, so that's going to be half a teaspoon. We've got a tablespoon of cacao powder, and we've got a scoop of this vegan protein, which is chocolate flavoured, so that works well. I got that off Amazon and it has been really great, and when I hopefully get back into the gym I'll see some gains from that. We've also got the Oatly oat drink. This is the barista edition, and from like the feedback that I've been getting off others, obviously trying it myself, this is fantastic. It goes really well in like teas, coffees, and in cereal as well. Definitely worth trying out. For this, we're going to be using 1 cup. And I'm just going to do a bit of a squeeze of this Sweet Freedom chocolate shot just to make sure it's extra chocolatey. There's also 200 mils of water here. Now, I'm not going to add that initially. I'm just going to blend the other ingredients, including the milk, and see how that turns out. And it's likely that I'll probably need to top it with a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll put the final ingredients down in the description box below to tell you exactly how much of it I added. So these are the toppings that I'm going to use to add to the smoothie bowl. We've got some peanut butter, which I just think is going to add some nice extra flavour to it. There's also some chocolate buttons, which are free from dairy. I'm just going to cut them into like quarters. I'm going to add some flaked almonds as well to give it a bit of crunch. I'm going to top it off with some chocolate shot, just a bit of flaxseed as well, again for some extra crunch and some extra nutrition. This is from Linwood's. I bought this online on Amazon and it is so good. I've talked about it a couple of times, but you can use it on cereals, in porridges, add it to smoothies. It's also a very good natural thickener, so it will thicken up maybe a mixture that is a bit too runny. Ignore the peg. The peg's not part of it.
So everything's been blended, the toppings have been added. As you can see, this is the finished smoothie bowl. It's got lots of toppings on. It's got the flaxseed. I decided not to go with the blueberries in the end, just last minute decision. We've got the banana in there, so I'm just gonna try a little bit. Now, my mouth is very sore. I got an ulcer on my lip, and then I bit my side of my cheek, and then I burnt the other side of my gum. So I'm not in the best of shape at the moment. I know, sympathy. But let's just try some anyway. Oh yeah. It's like my mouth's in pain, but I'm getting the taste sensory pleasure at the same time. My mouth's in conflict, basically. It is really, really good. And hopefully you'll get the opportunity to make this as well. Hopefully you won't be in pain when you're trying it. And I hope you liked this recipe video. If you did, please hit the like button. It'll help others find the recipe as well. I'm gonna go now because Poppet is meowing at me. She wants her food and she's a very demanding puss. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future plant-based recipes from me. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next on the channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time though, I hope you're all really well and I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
I mean, I've even put you in the new channel art.